Hey guys, what up? It's Perry here again. In the shred shed, or what will eventually become the shred shed. It's real windy outside, it's snowing me around, so there's not much riding getting done, so I thought I'd throw out a bike check. I got a lot of new parts, so I'll point those out to you as we go. I guess starting off at the top, I got Animal Edwin grips with Animal bar ends. They're blue. I hate black bar ends. I like a little color, a little flare, you know. So, got them in blue this time. I got Animal High Run bars. They're really small. They're like 26.5 width, 17.5 rise, which are real nice for bar spins. Don't get in the way. Don't even come to my seat, which is pretty cool. I got a new stem, which is an Animal MR top load stem. Doesn't get as tall as most top load stems do. It's real smooth, real nice. That doesn't have like a lot of cutouts and grooves like most stems nowadays do, which I do not like at all. It's just on point. I like it. The Primo headset, which is new, spins real nice, real smooth, real quick. Demolition Elite forks. Demolition Momentum tires, which I love these tires a lot. They're real durable. The other tires I had were really like complicated, lots of grooves and cutouts everywhere. And, I didn't like it. This one's more basic, just kind of blocks, which is a lot cooler looking, a lot nicer looking. I don't know. I just don't like parts to be too complicated. I got a stolen revolver front rim. Got tired of the red one and it was getting really bad, messed up, so I got this one in black. Where are they? I think they're called Doomsday pegs, metal pegs, better than plastic pegs. Don't ride plastic pegs, they suck. Yeah, there we go. Nigel seat, brand new seat. It's not very comfortable, but I don't sit down, so it doesn't matter. It's a cool design. It's like the Griffin logo, and then where you tighten it, it's the eye, which is pretty sweet. Animal wedge post, which doesn't work too well anymore. I had to put my seat post clamp back on, which was kind of disappointing, but I'll live with it. Cranks are still mob cranks. No complaints. Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. And they got a brand new sprocket, which is Sunday Sabertooth. It is an absolutely awesome sprocket. It's really thick, and it's got real thick teeth, so I don't really have to worry about them breaking and bending, which is nice. My chain which is getting loose, there's a hard wind out there, I don't even remember, it's Shadow Conspiracy version 2 chain. I had 2 demolition chain tensioners, but they got broken and bent. So now my chain's really loose, which is not good. It's gonna fall off, I think, eventually. Let's see, 2 more cold Doomsday pegs and a nitrous double shot in the back. That wheel, the nitrous double shot wheel, is absolutely horrible. Do not get it. It is. I've only had it for a little bit, yet it's been just torn up like crazy. So yeah, I would suggest getting it more expensive wheel than that. My frame is a Stolen Singer 2011, I think. It's pretty old, but it's held up, so no complaints. Gatorade sticker on that side. Shout out to Ride Masters for that. Animal sticker, and I think it's a Scavenger sticker. Shout out to GT Bikes for those. I think that's all I got. Hashtag NAR, hashtag shred. And I'm going to throw some clips after this. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.